Okay, right. Today we continue with assignment task 2 of Iscpdi. All right, assignment task 2. We're going to look at question 1 and question 2. Now, assignment task 2, it's asking you to focus on a retail or manufacturing type organization. So read and answer the following question or questions in the context of any retail or manufacturing enterprise you are familiar with. So you can choose the company that you would have chosen in task 1, providing that that company is into manufacturing or the retail sector, right? Or you can choose a totally different company. Now, if you're choosing the same company, there's no need to repeat the introduction or giving a background of the company. Simply make a note, all right, indicating to the assessor that they may refer to task 1's introduction, right, of the said company. That's fine. That's okay. Question number 2. Develop a strategy for the retail or manufacturing type organization chosen, which will transition the company or the enterprise from a push-based model to a pull-based model or system. All right. So this is a very interesting question, and it's a question that requires you to take a broad or critical approach. All right. So my notes. Interesting question. The shift from push to pull, right, will require a new model. So what is your strategy? What is your approach? If you're moving from push to pull, there must be an action plan. You must be looking out for certain things. So if you're moving from push to pull, it's a new business model. Now, this strategy will see a review of your existing suppliers, right? You must review your existing supply base and ensuring that they can adopt such a philosophy, all right, or such a policy. The thing is this: a pull system requires the supplier to respond quickly. A pull system requires the supplier to have the best quality you can think of. Pull system is critical, right? Very critical. Or I should say quality is critical in order for your pull system to be successful. You see, if there's a pull system and your supplier delivers goods to your plant and those goods need to be reworked, that defeats the whole purpose. So you have to rework these goods. You have to send those goods back. And when you send those goods back, you know, that is time. That is muda in your supply chain. The whole objective of a pull system is to reduce costs, is to avoid muda, right? So you want a system that is very efficient. So that's important. Make sure your suppliers are up to par, right? Quality is important, all right? So a culture of quality must be there as well in your suppliers' business as well as in your business, right? And what is a quality of culture? Quality of culture or culture quality is basically seeing quality in everything that you do. Quality in your systems, quality in your procedures, all right? Quality in everything, all right? Now, a lean and agile philosophy should also be incorporated here. You see, again, lean pull systems also relate to lean management. Now, if you're lean or if you're promoting a lean philosophy, it suggests or it means that you are removing all non-value adding activities, all muda, all waste. All right, anything that does not add value, removing it, right? So inventories that are no longer adding value, you're getting rid of it, right? So you must be thinking lean management, and you must be trying to continuously identify non-value adding activities. All right, you must, in adopting this lean concept or philosophy, you must be targeting unnecessary inventories, unnecessary process or processes within your supply chain. All right, because those unnecessary processes, they contribute to cost and they cause delay. they cause delay downstream, right? So what else? What else is important? Well, in terms of agility, lean and agile, agility speaks of responsiveness, right? So when you're lean, it's easier to respond, all right? Think about it. If your operation is operating with minimum stock or a lean stock system, and the trend or consumer preferences changes, then your company will be able to respond to that quickly, right? They can easily sell off what they have and then restock what consumers now want, right? So lean management goes along with agility, all right? So you will have a more agile supply chain, all right? You can respond to changes, all right, in a very dynamic environment. Okay, you must also make mention that this is hardly possible for all firms. So that's the analytical part. While you make mention of this, while you're creating an action plan for a pull system, you may want to say that, hey, this system may not be applicable for all organizations, and it may not be applicable for all types of products within that organization, right? So, you know, lean pull systems or acquiring a pull system should be applied in a rational way. All right. Well, it should apply it should apply using a sense of rationale, right? That's what I meant to say, right? Present an argument for the other approach as well. So present an argument for push systems as well, where some firms like the one you might have chosen, right, would have adopted or shifted to an anticipatory based model. So just a reminder, push-based systems are anticipatory based systems. Pull-based systems are response-based. That's where you find just in time. All right? Pull-based systems respond to customer demand. Okay? So that's question 1 and question 2 of task number 2. Thank you very much.